Shopper stampedes are a thing of the past, but Boxing Day sales are still a big driver of spending. Retailers are anticipating a boost in activity during today's Boxing Day sales, despite tough economic conditions across Australia. Australians are expected to spend a record $1.6 billion today, supported by higher demand from population growth and revived household spending after 3 interest rate cuts from the Reserve Bank. Chief Industry Officer with the Australian Retailers Association, ARA, Floor Brown, said there were encouraging signs for the retail sector. "We're anticipating a record result this year, up about 4% over last year, which is good for retailers," she said. "The economic climate we're in means that people are bargain hunting more. It is really about Australians trying to get their household budgets balanced. Australians are trying to have a lift and make sure they're spending money wisely at times when things might be lower in price. Online shopping may keep many people at home, but the ARA said 80% of purchases on Boxing Day were still made in store. The emergence of Black Friday sales has not yet made the Boxing Day sales redundant, but has helped refine its purpose for retailers. It's a true clearance event, Boxing Day, so retailers really have to move that stock out the door," Ms. Brown said. Black Friday is growing in popularity, but it's also serving a role as that gift-buying period for Australians before Christmas. Ms. Brown also said shoppers were more likely to find a true bargain on Boxing Day than they would during the Black Friday sales. "If you're looking for the pure percentage decrease, you might find Boxing Day in some categories is a higher percentage reduction, and that's because those items have to move," she said. It was a slow start to the shopping day in Melbourne's Bourke Street Mall, with a polite trickle of shoppers entering stores rather than the stampedes of yesteryear. "I haven't come the last few years because of the kids, COVID and all that," one shopper told the ABC. "Normally, I used to come here around 5 o'clock in the morning, and there used to be a queue outside and all that, but this year is a little bit quieter," he said. Another shopper said she left the family at home and came into the CBD early to get a head start on other shoppers. "The girls are a little bit older now, so they're still sleeping off the excitement of yesterday, so I came in nice and early to beat the rush," she said. "There wasn't much of a rush anyway. I think everyone is shopping online." Shoppers have also been warned not to rush into spending money on Boxing Day on something they might regret purchasing later. University of Melbourne professor of law, Jeannie Patterson, said it was important to consider if an advertised discount was really what it seemed. "The first thing to do is to slow down. I think Boxing Day sales, if we've got through Christmas, often we're exhausted and we're also in a hurry to find a good deal," she said. "So it's worth just stopping and thinking and considering whether it really is a discount." The other thing that sometimes happens, of course, is that old products or lower quality products are rolled out, and there's a lot of fake products around online as well.